What does each planet sound like? Have you ever wondered what the planets sound like? Thanks to NASA, we've captured their voices using electromagnetic waves converted into sound. Mercury? It's a haunting, crackling silence, like static from deep space. Venus? Eerie and intense, like a storm raging on another world. Earth? A harmonious mix of ocean waves, thunder, and human life, our cosmic symphony. Mars, a ghostly whistle carried by thin winds. Jupiter, deep booming rumbles, a true giant of sound. Saturn, ethereal hums like a cosmic choir. Uranus, whispery tones, mysterious and cold. Neptune, a deep distant roar from the edge of our solar system. Every planet has a unique soundtrack. Which one's your favorite? Let us know. Galaxy,